Hi class, so I'm going to show you very quickly how to put your paper in MLA format. So first of all, you're going to want to make sure that this is Times New Roman, 12-point font, and that your spacing is 2.0 or double, okay? MLA format begins with your name, so I'm just going to come up with a name, Sarah Jones, okay? Followed by my name, your teacher, Mrs. Shaver, followed by the class, which is 10th Literature, okay, followed by the date. And the way that the date is formatted is it's day, month, year. Let's see, your paper is going to be due on the 7th. So we're going to put 7 May 2020. Okay. Then you are going to center it and you're going to put your title. So for your title, you can say Julius Caesar Leadership Short Essay. Oops. And again, if you want to come up with another title, you absolutely can, but that works. I'm going to move this up just so that you can see this. You're going to also need to go to Insert, and then you're going to need to go to Page Number, Top of Page, and go ahead and choose that one. And then you're going to put your last name. And then if you're feeling really fancy, you can go back to Home, and you can make that Times New Roman and 12-point font. Then you're going to double click out of it. Okay, I'm going to show you guys if you're using Word Online. Let me go ahead and go to a Word document. So if this is you, Word Online, of course, you know, you're going to have your name, my name, 10th Literature, and that, but here's how you insert the page number. You go to Insert, you go to Page Number, and then you select this one, right? And again, then you would just put your name or your last name right there. And then if you're feeling fancy, you again can go to Home and make that Times New Roman and 12-point font. Okay, it says we'll insert the page number for you, and they will, so you do not have to click like 1 or 2 or 3. Just double click, get out of it. You click on your header, again you'll see Jones, and then you'll see the page number that they will insert. Okay, so you're good there if you're doing that on Word Online. If you are doing this in Google Docs, all you do is you go to Insert, you go to Page Numbers, you click on that one, and again, you're going to put your last name, and you can make it Times New Roman 12-point font, and then click to get out of it, okay? And so this is where you would be typing your essay. Your introduction would be here, followed by your 2 body paragraphs and your conclusion. And again, your total word count should be 500, but that is how you do MLA format. So just let me know if you have any questions, and I look forward to reading your Julius Caesar Leadership short essays. Thanks, guys.